Welcome back, guys. I'm Paul. It's Sunday the 4th of February and we're back at Perfume Point in Napier for the monthly car meet. Not a huge turnout this month, but we still managed to get a look at some great cars and chatted with some very friendly owners. More coming up right after this message. Introducing enthusiasts of British motor vehicles insurance, which has been designed for us by the expert team at Peter James Insurance. So to get a free, no obligation quote for your insurance cover, just click on the link in the description below. Or a replacement engine. Do you mind me filming you? Tell me about it.
Yeah, it's got a 69 Hunter block, which is the same as Super Minx. It's Ford 40,000 reground crankshaft. It's got a 78, 79 standard camshaft grind. So it's basically a brand new engine.
Brilliant.
You turn it off, it just stops.
Oh really?
Yeah. Whole new thing. This thing has been running for so long with no compression. It's 100 grand at all. That's mad. It's neat too. It's got a bloody it's a Weber carburetor. It's got a set of headers on it. I've got a new set of headers that have got to be assembled to go on it. But, it'll get the exhaust system aligned properly. At the moment it rattles.
Okay. So you only just put this in, have you?
Yeah, the engine started the first time yesterday.
Oh really?
No. The engine started a couple of days ago. I think it's having trouble bleeding the clutch. It's still not right.
Good.
Just latches.
That's good.
The driver's side's better. It just swings shut like a click.
I just have a look at the dash. I love the Roots Group logo in the middle. It's really come on.
The headers and the twin throat carb, and that's about it.
Well, that engine's running beautifully.
I've got an original single carburetor thing for it, so I can't be bothered putting the single bloody the original header back on.
Yeah.
It's just crap.
The black car, obviously American, is the 1968 Dodge Charger with a 7.2 litre engine. I was drawn straight over to this 1987 BMW. It's the 325i convertible. I think that's an E30. Petrol engined, of course, with a 2.5 litre engine capacity. Absolutely beautiful. Just a short walk across the field was this 1973-2002 BMW. This one had the 1990cc engine. Looking a little tired here and there, but basically very sound and could easily be brought up to a pretty high standard.
I'm Tony.
Hello Tony, tell us about your car.
Well, I bought the car 3.5 years ago and it's been completely done up. Stripped down, painted inside and out. It has Italian leather in it. It's probably better than new. 1950s
Very
Ford
likely.
Prefect.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. But unfortunately we're moving, so.
Going to Australia?
Yes, grandchildren.
You're not taking it with you then?
No. It's too much to go. Have a look. I'll open the door.
Beautiful, thank you. Could eat your dinner off that, Tony?
With no expense spared.
You've had it a long time?
3.5, coming up 4 years.
Oh, not too long.
No, it's just that we don't want to sell them, but the decision was to move. But you can have a look at the roof lining.
Look at
It's just
this.
stunning.
My goodness. It is stunning.
You don't go too far for me.
Look at that. Fantastic.
Full spare tyre, this comes off,
Right.
and there's a full spare tyre in there, but
Wow,
you can
look
see
at
the
that.
paint job. See, everything's been stripped down.
Good grief.
It's one of the probably the best Prefect in New Zealand.
I wouldn't be sure. Well, how could it be better? I can't see
You
anything.
can't. I don't see how you could.
Was it like this when you bought it?
Yep.
Yeah.
So she bought it down for their wedding.
Oh, I see.
So they got married in that, and then when he passed away, she said, "Well, I had no need," so went over to Waimak, back up. So it's done a full circle.
Incredible.
I'd like to see
Well-
it stay here. It's stunning. So old Elf here, a little Ford, was completely stripped down, all done up down here in Napier, all the auto upholstery. Stunning little car. You wouldn't find a better one in New Zealand, to be quite honest.
You're right.
Great little investment for anyone, really.
And a bargain to the English at about £7,500.
Perfect.
There you go.
Just put him on a canoe and send him over.
There you go. Good luck.
Well done.
Sorry to interrupt the video, but if you're enjoying it, we need your help. All we're asking is for you to take just a second to hit the subscribe button, and also do the same with the like button. Thank you, we do appreciate your support. Now, back to the video.
This beautiful blue car is a 1968 Chevrolet Corvette. This one has a 5.8 litre engine. This one, possibly my favourite car at the show, a 1930 Willys Whippet 96A. Owned by my friend Bernard, it has a 2.4 litre engine and is looking fantastic.
You're not what? He thinks it's a stick.